As I said before, I didn't like word problems because they seemed harder when I just required an organized list on the way to translate the operators to words. The number eight can be expressed in a few different ways, like the word eight, the number eight, eight in Roman numerals, ocho, 8.0000, 24 over 3 and 2 to the third power. In actuality, word problems just ask you to translate words to numbers. The same applies to operators such as multiplication and division. It's just understanding the words connected to the operators. For example, with multiplication, the use of words such as product, times, and multiply represent multiplication. With division, the words connected to dividing numbers are quotient of and divided by. The equal sign is represented by the words is equal, or equals. In this example, we have the product of 3 and 4 is equal to, or in other words, 3 times 4, which is 12. The quotient of 9 and 3 is 9 divided by 3, or 3. I want to shift your perspective to see word problems from another angle. When you work on something enough, your mind may figure out a different and maybe better way to do something. These thoughts are called epiphanies or eureka moments, or better yet, breakthroughs. When you create something more effective for yourself, you are using higher order thinking skills. Word problems are just a word based representation of quantities that require a solution. You see, the product of 5 and 10 is 50. Is that true or false? You would be able to answer that question as true because you can decipher between the two different representation types. So practice the problems in Unit 1, Section 11 to become even better at translating word problems. See the description below to get the free algebra workbook.